Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was known for her infectious laughter and boundless curiosity. She had dreams that reached as high as the tallest peaks and a spirit that soared with the eagles. One sunny afternoon, as Maya was wandering through the woods near her home, she stumbled upon an old abandoned cabin hidden amidst the trees. Intrigued, she cautiously approached the cabin and pushed open the creaky door. Inside, she found dusty shelves lined with forgotten books and cobwebs hanging from the rafters. But amidst the dust and cobwebs, Maya's eyes fell upon a faded photograph hanging on the wall. It depicted a group of young people with bright smiles and shining eyes, standing in front of the very cabin she now stood in. Maya's heart skipped a beat as she realized that these were the cabin's previous inhabitants. Driven by curiosity, Maya set out to uncover the story behind the photograph. She visited the local library and spent hours poring over old newspapers and records, piecing together the tale of the young people who had once called the cabin home. As Maya learned more about them, she discovered that they were a group of idealistic youth who had dedicated themselves to making a difference in their community. They had planted trees, cleaned up litter, and organized fundraisers for those in need. They had believed in the power of unity and had worked tirelessly to bring positive change to their town. Inspired by their story, Maya decided to follow in their footsteps. She rallied her friends, and together they embarked on a mission to revitalize the abandoned cabin and turn it into a community center where young people could come together to learn, grow, and make a difference. It wasn't easy. They faced obstacles and setbacks along the way, but Maya and her friends refused to give up. They worked day and night, painting walls, repairing floors, and clearing away years of neglect. And slowly but surely, their vision began to take shape. When the day finally came to unveil the newly transformed community center, the whole town turned out to celebrate. Maya stood before the crowd, her heart overflowing with pride, as she spoke about the power of youth and the importance of coming together to create positive change. From that day on, the community center became a hub of activity, buzzing with the laughter and energy of young people who were eager to make a difference. And Maya, with her boundless spirit and unwavering determination, became a symbol of hope and inspiration for youth everywhere. As the sun set over the hills, casting a golden glow over the town below, Maya knew that no dream was too big and no obstacle too great when you had the courage to believe in yourself and the power of community. And so, with a heart full of gratitude and a smile that lit up the night, Maya vowed to continue chasing her dreams and inspiring others to do the same, one step at a time.